purpose as you follow the sequence. Have a blanket and a block nearby. Start by coming into a comfortable seat on a folded blanket. Close your eyes and observe your breath. Check in with your suction or witness self. The witnessing part of you doesn't judge. It simply observes and accepts what is happening, like your best friend. Then try what Lilius calls resurrection breath. Turn your head to the left. Exhale through your mouth forcibly 2 or 3 times, letting the exhale be a way to symbolically let go of and die to the past. As you inhale, slowly return the head to center, bringing a sense of renewal to the present moment. Come up to standing. Feel as if you are coming home as you ground your feet hip distance. Enjoy your smiling heart energy as you lengthen your spine, lower your shoulders, soften your eyes, and lift the corners of your lips. Bring your palms together at your heart and focus inward. Ask yourself, what am I grateful for? Let sweet memories and thoughts come to you. As you inhale, feel a warm, healing energy fill your chest. As you exhale, say to yourself, finally, I return home to my heart. Root both feet into the floor. Inhale, lift your arms to the sky, keeping hands shoulder distance apart. Exhale, slide your hips and rib cage to the left as you lean to the right, Parshva Tadasana, side bending mountain pose. Inhale, lift to center. Exhale to the left. Inhale, come to center. Lift up through the torso and arms as you release your tailbone down. Exhale to the right. Inhale to center. Exhale to the left. Inhale, come back to center. Relax your shoulders. Exhale to the right. Inhale to center. Exhale left. Inhale to come back up. Exhale, release your arms by your side. Step your feet apart about 3 to 3.5 feet. Inhale, lift both arms out to the side and parallel to the floor, 5-pointed star pose. Keep your spine and tailbone long. Let your head float above your shoulders. As you exhale, extend energy out through the 5 points of your feet, hands, and top of your head. From 5-pointed star, turn your left foot in, right foot out, and bend the right knee 90 degrees. Turn your torso to the right and fold over your right thigh to hug a tree pose. Place your left hand on the floor, close to your foot for balance, and wrap your right arm around your leg and gently hug your right thigh. At the same time, resist by softly pulling your chest away, yet keep contact. Inhale, come back up to 5-pointed star. Exhale, turn your feet and your torso, bend your left knee, and fold over your left thigh. Find a slow rhythm to your breath as you hug and gently resist hugging your thigh. Inhale to come up, 5-pointed star. Turn your feet to the right. Exhale, extend out to the right. Place your right hand on a block on the outside of your right leg, Utthita Trikonasana, extended triangle pose. Inhale, slowly open your chest as you lift your left arm and gaze forward. Listen to your breath as you soften your lips into a smile. Inhale, bring the block with you as you come back up to 5-pointed star. Exhale, shift your feet to the left and extend out over your left side. Place the block outside the left shin. Soften your shoulders as you lift the right arm and extend the sides of your torso parallel to the floor. Inhale as you connect with your curiosity and wonder for this practice, and lift up to 5-pointed star. Exhale, extend to triangle on the right side. Place the block inside your right foot and take your left hand to the block. Shift your right hip back, your left hip forward. Gaze at your left hand. Rest your right hand on your lower back. Breathing smoothly, twist through the belly and inhale. Open your chest and sweep your right arm up to the sky. Parivrita Trikonasana, revolved triangle pose. Exhale, release the twist. Inhale as you lift to 5-pointed star. Exhale, reach out to extended triangle on the left. Place the block inside your left foot. Start to shift your left hip back, your right hip forward, and bring your right hand onto the block. Keep your gaze at your right hand, draw your inner thighs toward each other, and spin your chest open. Inhale as you raise your left arm. Continue to smooth out the breath. Exhale, release your left arm, and inhale to 5-pointed star. Turn your right foot out, left heel slightly in, and bend your right knee. Exhale, lean over your right thigh, place the block on the floor slightly in front of your right foot, and rest your left hand on your lower back. Look down toward the floor. Inhale, shift your weight onto your right leg and lift your left leg up, Ardha Chandrasana, half moon pose. Slowly shift your right hand to a supportive position, straighten your standing leg, stack your hips, and lift your left arm up. Exhale, bend your right knee and step back as beautifully as you came into the pose. Inhale back up to 5-pointed star. Take the block with your left hand, shift your left foot out, your right heel in a little, and bend your left knee. Exhale, extend out to the left, place the block in front of your left foot, and rest your right hand on your lower back. Gaze down. Shift your weight onto your left leg and inhale, lift to half moon pose. Steady yourself as you adjust. Open through your chest and your breath and lift your right arm. Exhale, bend the left knee, step back gracefully. Inhale, lift to center, 5-pointed star. This pose will remind you not to take yourself too seriously. Turn both feet out slightly for Devi Jai Utkatasana, Victory Goddess. Bend your knees into a comfortable squat. Bend your elbows and inhale. Stretch your palms open and touch your thumbs to your shoulders. Open your mouth, lift your eyebrows, stretch out your tongue, and exhale forcefully with a long Release your jaw, face, and neck. Straighten your arms and legs as you inhale back up to 5-pointed star. Step your feet back together, hip distance for mountain pose. Bring your palms together at your heart. Feel the quiet openness to your witness, your inner friend, as you smooth out your breath. Lie back on your mat. Gently bring your knees in toward your chest. Use an exhale to release your legs to the right as you slowly turn your head to the left. Take your left arm out to a T position and rest your right hand lightly on your left leg. Encourage the torso to release into the twist as you quiet the body and mind. Inhale, lift the legs up to center. Exhale, twist to the left. As you release here, the quiet can open to that joyful witness as your body and mind deepen into resting. Inhale to come back up to center. Gently hug your knees into your chest. Slowly lengthen your legs forward.